Got a delivery. Let's see what the meat fairy brought us today. So I'm not sponsored by ButcherBox. Just wanted to share what I got. I wanted to introduce grass-fed and organic meats into our diet here. What better way to have it shipped right to your door? Good thing to try. It's not terribly expensive. It's not going to be cheap either. It helps supplement our meat that we get at the grocery store. And this time around, because Thanksgiving's coming up, I added a turkey, which is really easy to add to your monthly box. And if you're looking into introducing that kind of thing into your family for cooking, highly recommend. It's great quality. Though, ButcherBox, if you're listening, I'm totally open to being sponsored. You know what I mean?
If you're interested in trying ButcherBox, use the link in the comments to get $50 off.